Before Netflix, before YouTube, before the algorithm decided what you would watch next, there was this plastic, clunky, analog magic, the VHS tape. It was more than just a format. It was a memory bank, a time capsule, a revolution in home entertainment, one that changed how we watched, how we shared, and how we remembered. But before we dive headfirst into the reels and rewind buttons, let's go back. Let's meet the storytellers, the legends, the visionaries who saw beyond the tape and turned magnetic strips into generational blessings. This is the world of VHS. Let's rewind.
Àlàdé Arómiré yìí ló wá mú ló ṣiṣẹ́ tí fídíò tẹ́yìn pè ní VHS tí wọ́n fi VHS dọ́ọ̀bù ń gbà yẹn ló mú wọlé, and is a Yoruba practitioner. No rival for Yoruba then. So fídíò yẹn wá, àwọn kan tí wọ́n wọlé a lè pè wọ́n ní independent marketers, àwọn ní NEC. Igbo person is not an actor. He was a marketer tó kówó lẹ̀ tí a máa ń ṣùtì fún gbà yẹn. Ìgbà yẹn lè bá wo mẹ́rán ní mẹ́rán yẹn ló fẹ́ jẹ́ ibi táwọn artist gádà sí ń gbà yẹn tó bá mọ àwọn eré yẹn oríṣiríṣi. Ayégbà táwọn ọmọ school tán mọ ọ̀fọ̀ jùwé gan lọ, àwọn Abija, àwọn Alápínní, àwọn Sokoti, àwọn Balógun, wọ́n pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n ti gbà ń kú. So the entertainment industry was moving very fast nígbà yẹn. Kí ló fi ń yaṣẹ́ gbà yẹn?
We started with M7. Just ordinary camera that has nothing to do, it has no effect, nothing at all. M7, gbogbo báyìí lọ. But to God be the glory. Ọlọ́run bá láàrin jù lọ. Ó bá aṣọ ṣẹ́kù ní ara wa. Bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ tí ò bá sí àwọn. Kọ́nà kó bá a délẹ̀ fún mi ìdí ni o. Ọlọ́run ló fi inspiration yẹn náà sóhun náà lórí. By thinking pé kíni ìyá máa lè ṣe, kíni ká dẹ̀ máa fi yaṣẹ́ lọ. Ó dẹ̀ ṣe. Ó ní gbogbo ọ̀nà à ń enjoy lẹ́ni sí náà. Kẹ́ni company jáde kó sọ pé òun lòun kọ́kọ́ ṣe fídíò náà. Kó wá pọ́rọ́ lójú wa. Àwa máa jẹ́ kó mọ̀. You know, I mean, Muideen Arómiré kì í ṣọmọ tó jẹ́ pàtàkì tó stubborn lórí nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ ṣe. Nothing impossible before him. Ṣé gbogbo síláyé mọ́sìn ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ láǹsọ̀ yìí?
Torí gbogbo wa ń gbà yẹn, how can we be doing this? How can this? No, kò tiẹ̀ wo anybody. The first person tó kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní Yorùbá tiwa yìí o, late Àlàdé Arómiré ni.
Òun ló kàn dá kínní ẹ̀ bí ọgbọ́n, ó kàn dá bí ọgbọ́n, Ọlọ́run fi àṣẹ sí. Ó dá bí ọgbọ́n, Ọlọ́run fi àṣẹ sí. Àṣẹ ọ̀la nìyọ̀nù. Àṣẹ ọ̀la nìyọ̀nù.
From bootleg street markets to Sunday afternoon renters, VHS gave us access. It gave us ownership. It gave us power.
Arómiré náà ní fíìmù ẹkùn. Òun ló kọ́kọ́ fi fídíò ya movie. Not òun kọ́ ló kọ́kọ́ release fíìmù sórí gbá. Òun ló kọ́kọ́ fi VHS ló fi ya movie tó lọ ń show ẹ̀ ní tíátà. Ṣùgbọ́n tóun náà wá rí pé àwọn èèyàn ń ra VHS yẹn, òun náà wá lọ convert movie ẹ̀ yẹn sí home video. And that's around 1992. The title of that movie is Ẹkùn.
What the like competition, because you will not know it is home video then, because even home video poster táwọn ń ṣe ṣe àwọn àbáyẹ ti ní brand wọ́n ti lórúkọ àwọn àdẹ̀fẹ́ ajá káwọn èrò, so we have beautiful posters. So if you see home video posters, ó máa ná normal real movie tó jẹ́ reversal àbí celluloid.
When the home video came, we have a Idumota area. The marketers there, those are the people that market for us.
Lẹ́yìn ẹni gbogbo èèyàn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá gba yáradíà tó ní kálukú wa náà táwa ń ṣe kó tó di pé àwọn kejì wa náà wá bẹ̀rẹ̀.
These are comic chips that I was coming within Zebejiro's Ripples when Chief Kenneth Nebwe, a producer and marketer of Yoruba movies based in Lagos, in fact, Additional Street, noticed. Then picked interest to do movies in Igbo. So he began to ask questions, who can do this and that for me? By the way, that man who is mixing Igbo in his English, how can I get him? They brought me to his office, Additional Street. The man was over happy, excited to see me, because he told me the dream was in him a long time ago to do Igbo in addition to Yoruba movies he was marketing.
You know, fin ya shengba yẹn mi lè gbàgbé dáadáa, my brother ọdún fast side èlé náà fin ya film 4,000 video film 4,000 ẹni tó gbọ́wọ́ film sókè láǹgù ọdún fa was around he shot ọ̀dádá 27,000 ó dìde bọ̀ àwọn tó change trend di video ìgbà yẹn à ń pa owó ẹ má gbàgbé owó yẹn ń wọlé nítorí pé VHS tape ẹ lè lò láti dọ́ ẹ lè lò láì mọye ìgbà kẹ́ máa wipe tó wà lórí kẹ́ tún fi dọ́ mi so àwọn marketer yẹn make owó.
Because àwọn èèyàn ti wá ń jókòó comfort of their house to watch, just slot in cassette and watch whatever actors you want to watch then. Ó jẹ́ kí cinema fà sẹ́yìn.
Chief Kenneth Nebwe, actually, who was the proprietor of Neck Video Links that produced Living in Bondage, was not on the side of those who went through school for all that. But he was a big brain who could come with many titles. You all saw the one he did that Yukeri Anunobi took part in. All these are wonderful people who have kept low now.
In 120 words per minute.
Gele patai di choy hapunde gena hano.
Acho mera kufa father kunezi mera compared to Ifengo.
But when Ifena de hana apoko. I want all them amana just for the records. Inugodi.
Yeah,
Inugodi.
Yes, sir.
Bọ́gbà tó yá rìhásà yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dínkù ó ní gbogbo wa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí gba oko fídíò lọ. We might be there for months, there for days. Àráyè stage mọ́ ó ti wá di stage ti wá di bí occasional thing. Maybe somebody just package, okay, ọdún bọ̀, let's package a stage for the festival. Stage ti wá di ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan.
Owó tí èmi kọ́kọ́ gbà nínú fídíò tí mo bá wọn yà tó jẹ́ àgbéléwò was 300 naira. 300 naira. Ní sinimá tí ọ̀rẹ́ wa láti Ìbàdàn Wẹ̀mímọ́ Films tó ṣe nínú senior girls mo gba 300 naira. Ibi tí mo ti kọ́kọ́ gba owó tó pọ̀ jù nìyẹn.
Yes, time moved on. Disc replaced tapes, streams replaced chefs. But for those who lived through it, VHS was more than a format. It was a memory. It was magic. It was home. VHS may fade, but the feeling never does.
Àwa ọmọ Áfíríkà, àwa ló ní ilẹ̀ wa, ọba tó fún wa nílẹ̀, òun ló dá wa pọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká rí ara wa bí ọmọ ìyá kan, ká fi gbogbo ọkàn wa ṣòtítọ́ f'Olúwa. Ọjọ́ ń ré kọjá lọ, kò dúró dẹ́nìkan. Ẹ fìkà sílẹ̀, ẹ má bínú orí. Ẹ gbìmọ̀ràn tó dáa, káyé yìí sàn wá o. Ká fọkàn wáyé olú.